Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic. Binance have finally added more support to Terra Classic coin. Binance are showing more great support, and of course Binance are also supporting the network upgrade, and I'm happy they are also coming up with different projects. Binance have also come out to say it openly that they are in for LUNC project, and I'm happy because just Binance alone has been a motivator to so many people that are still trading Terra Classic. Binance support has been that pillar Terra Classic need. Yes, Binance is the backbone of LUNC. Binance is the pillar of Terra Classic. If Binance decides to go out, if Binance decides to stop supporting Terra Classic, for me, if you ask me, I will tell you it is over for this coin, because a lot of people will definitely sell out. A lot of people will definitely sell their coins. People will pull out of Terra Classic. So Terra Classic need to keep doing everything possible to make sure that every day in, day out, they will keep getting the support of Binance and of course the Binance founder. So I believe that the future of Terra Classic is good. The future of LUNC is definitely looking more good. Now, Terra Classic coin, if you compare LUNC coin back then, you discover that there has been so many differences. Even though they have been expressing a lot of things, there have been kind of support recently. There have been, different exchanges have been showing some kind of support towards Terra Classic coin that I have not seen before, including Binance. Okay, recently they have really shown a lot of support, and that support have managed to keep this coin at, to where it is right now. That support have managed to help LUNC to maintain. So, and a lot of people have been trading recently. The staking have also increased recently. So many things about Terra Classic recently, especially this month of June 2023, have really increased. Go and take the Terra Classic record. Last month, May, wasn't a good month for Terra Classic. Like I said last month before, that was I predicted this in April, that May will not be good for LUNC, and it turned out to be so. But last month, but I'm happy for this new month. June is kind of favoring Terra Classic. Terra Classic is benefiting a lot in this month of June from getting more trading volume, from getting more investors, from getting more support, from getting more projects being acknowledged, and I'm happy. So let's make sure that this continues, and especially let's hope Bitcoin himself will continue to rise, because no matter the project you are doing right now, no matter the plan, no matter the support, if Bitcoin crashes right now, Terra Classic will definitely fall out, and it will affect Terra Classic more. So right now, BTC is really trying their best, and I'm happy to see that crypto industry generally, they are all doing well, especially in the month of June. So let's hope for the best, and I believe that in the nearest future, everything will be fine. With Terra Classic, with Bitcoin, with Binance, with Solana, with Floki Inu, with Shiba Inu, and the rest, Dogecoin, all these coins. Remember, this on the financial advisor. Please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.